Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Monica and in today's video I'm going to talk about my own hair care brand which has been there for a long time, but I know I haven't spoken about it on YouTube, and it's been a year that I've made such long videos. I've always done like shorts in the past year, and now I've taken content creation as full-time. Yes, I'm a full-time YouTuber now, or an influencer, I don't know what it is called, but now I'm going to be making only videos, only long videos are going to come. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and select all so that you'll be notified of my further videos. Now let's get started into this video. So firstly, I'm starting it off by thanking you guys, because I'm very grateful for you guys who have asked me to start this brand. You guys asked me to start selling my hair growth oil, and that's how it is all started. And now we are, as a small business, we are a registered brand. I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm seriously very grateful and thankful to each and every one, and to the people who are sticking with me from the first, because I have not been consistent on YouTube. This has been my hobby. I have not taken it as full time. I have not been that consistent, but I know you guys have been from very long time. Like it's been 4 years since I started my YouTube journey, and you guys been there from that time. And more than like 4 years back, I've uploaded my hair growth oil video, which we prepare at home. It is our traditional Bringraj hair growth oil, the infusion method, how my mom prepares it. I shared it on YouTube. Since then, many of you guys were asking me to sell this oil, because firstly the method is very difficult, and secondly the ingredients are not easily available, and it is a very different method of preparing the oil, and it is the most effective Bringraj hair growth oil that is available on the market. I can very surely say that, because most of the Bringraj oil that is available on the market are heated, and it has all been processed. But our oil is very different. We don't use any heat. We don't dry the Bringraj on sunlight. We do it on dark shade place, because we want to preserve the benefits of Bringraj. We want the oil to be very effective on the hair, because Bringraj is being scientifically proved to be the best hair ingredient. It makes your hair grow longer, it makes your hair strong and thicker, it helps to prevent premature graying of hair, it prevents hair fall, it helps in hair regrowth. And Bringraj has been the most key ingredient of most of the hair care product, and that is a main ingredient. We use only one ingredient, that is Bringraj, and this oil we prepare using a traditional infusion method that you guys know it, and we don't use any heat or chemical, or we don't use any processed refined oil. We use only pure cold pressed coconut oil, that wood pressed coconut oil. So the oil is also 100% pure, and you get the most benefit of it, and it is very affordable. I can say it loud, it is very affordable than any other oil that is available, because I know we give it with free shipping also all over India. Now we have a whole hair care range that is available. We have hair wash powder, we have hair pack and hair oil and all those stuff. I have not spoken about it on YouTube, and it's been high time that I have to talk about it. And this year is going to end, and I thought the first thing that I'm very grateful is you guys. Seriously, it's the most amazing, beautiful thing that happened in my life, and I have to give it to you guys. So that's why I'm going to talk about the products that we have and the benefits and what are the ingredients that we use. And you can check the description box for the price, and I will give my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp for queries and to place order, and all those details will be there in the description. So let's get started without further blabbering. So first, I'm going to talk about my Bringraj hair growth oil. So this is how the bottle looks like. It is the smallest bottle that we have, that is 200 ml. The smallest quantity we give is 200 ml, because it comes with the Bringraj also inside. So if we give for 100 ml, we can't put the Bringraj inside, so logically it's not happening. You guys have asked us to give 100 ml, but 200 is the 200 is the smallest bottle available. So this is how the bottle looks like. It comes with a flip cap, and you get the Bhringraj inside. You can reuse this 2 times, but I recommend using it, reusing it once for the most effectiveness. So we give it with the Bhringraj Ada inside, and there is also fenugreek seed. Fenugreek we add for the fragrance, but you can get it without fenugreek also, because most of you guys are allergic to fenugreek, or it doesn't suit you guys. I don't know, nearly like 20, we have like 20 people like that asked us without fenugreek because it doesn't suit their hair. So we started selling without fenugreek also. So you can ask us, like, you don't want fenugreek in it, then we will not add fenugreek. We'll give you with a Bhringraj Ada, and this is how the oil looks like. This is the color of the oil, green color, and it has very mild smell of Bhringraj. You can't hardly you can smell the Bhringraj. The strong smell won't be there. It is very mild and it is very relaxing. The smell is like very natural, earthy, and it feels really good. It you can do a hot oil massage with this oil. It just relaxes. It is like relaxing oil. It smells so good. So there are like some oils which has very strong fragrance which gives you a headache. This doesn't do that. It has very light smell. So this is the smallest bottle. This is 200 ml, and then we have like 250 ml. So you can compare the size. So this is 200 and then this is 250, and now we also have like 500 because we have regular customers. So they ask us like 250 ml, they just get over it in a month. So they have asked us for a bigger bottle. So now it is also available in 500 ml. So this is the 500 ml bottle. So this is how it looks. So this is like the standard package that we have. We haven't changed it since we started. So this is the package. This is how the bottle looks like. There is very less difference that you can see in 200 and 250 ml, but the oil quantity also varies. This contains 250 ml and this contains 200 ml. And yeah, talking about the application, you can apply it overnight and then wash it off the next day. That's how I used to do it. I don't oil my hair every day, so I apply it overnight. The next day I just wash it off, and before applying I just very lightly warm the oil using double boiling method. Very lightly. I don't boil or heat the oil. I just warm it using double boiling method, and then I apply it using a cotton ball, or I use my fingertip, apply it to my scalp and do like a nice massage 2 to 3 minutes, and then the remaining oil I just comb it to the rest of my hair. That's how I do it. But some of you guys apply it every day also. Yes, it can be applied, you can apply it every day, but then I suggest you guys to apply the most quantity to your scalp, because this is where the hair follicle is. This is where the oil is going to get absorbed. So apply it to your scalp, apply more oil to your scalp, and you can comb the rest to the hair length. You have to concentrate more on your scalp. That's what I'm trying to say. So apply this to your scalp. You can leave it a whole day and then wash it off the next day, or you can use it every day also. But when you use every day, I think you apply it in a very small quantity, which won't be enough. So I suggest you at least weekly once applying it overnight, at least for 12 hours or 24 hours once a week, which gives the most benefit. And the next product that we have is hair wash powder. So this is how the hair wash powder looks like. So it comes in a 100 grams pack, and this is like a 200 gram pack. So this is a hair wash powder, Sigakai, with 18 ingredients. We have like 18 herbs in it apart from Sigakai. Sigakai is used in a very less quantity. Apart from that, there is lot of ingredients in it. I'll give the ingredient list in the description, check it out. And it does foam. I've had many trial and error, but then finally we have found the perfect formula. It foams, actually it foams. I'll include the video somewhere here of the application video. If you have oiled your hair, you have to wash it 2 times. First time when you wash, it won't foam that much, but then it helps to remove the excess oil. And when you again second time wash it, it thoroughly cleanses your hair. So you have to use it twice. You can't like wash it and expect it to remove all the oil. You have to wash it twice. And understand this is like a natural product, and for it to perform, it takes some time. And for you to adapt from a shampoo to hair wash powder, it also takes some time. because shampoo, it instantly cleanses your hair, it gives you that clean feel, it has that nice smell, and this has a very nice smell. Like most of you guys are addicted to the smell of it. Smells so good. It smells so good. You don't smell Sigakai in it because we use Sigakai in a very less quantity. We have other ingredients, like other foaming ingredients. I'll give it in the description. So all these ingredients helps in thoroughly cleansing your hair, helps in preventing hair fall. Shampoos mostly contains sulfate and sulfate alternatives if you go for SLS free shampoo, but this is sulfate free and it is all natural, and it helps to make your hair strong and healthy. You feel that your hair is very thick after washing with this, so do try this. And we give a sample pack with the oil. When you buy the oil individually, we give a small one-time use sample pack to try this one, but I suggest you to get it without any question, without thinking about it. Get this one because it definitely works so well. It foams so well, it makes your hair feel very thick and voluminous. Do try this one, and it does remove the oil very effectively. It's not like the regular Sigakai, it is very effective, so do try this one. The price details will be given in the description. So next is this hair pack powder. This is a recent launch. So this hair pack powder, we give it in 60 gram only. This is the quantity, this is the only quantity that we have, because it takes lot of time and effort to prepare this hair pack, because it is all natural herbal ingredients. We have added hibiscus amla and curry leaf, neem leaf, bringraj in it, and all these ingredients are shade dried, and we milled it very finely to make it into a hair pack. So this is the quantity, and it is very effective, very powerful ingredients. All these ingredients are good for hair fall, to regrow your hair, to make your hair strong and healthy. You can feel that your hair is so lustrous and voluminous after using this hair pack. The preparation method, I've shared it on Instagram, I'll put it here also. You can take like 3 teaspoons according to your hair length. I suggest applying to your scalp alone. This is where you have to concentrate more. The rest you can apply to your hair, but try to apply it to your scalp mostly, and rest you can oil it using bringraj oil normally. And just add like curd, or you can add egg white, or you can use aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice, or you can use rice water starch. So these are the things that can be added to mix it into a paste, and then apply it to your scalp. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours and then wash it off. Use this weekly once, or once in 15 days at least, to get the most benefit of it. Do try this hair pack, and this is the whole hair care range that we have now. So you can use this bringraj oil weekly twice, and this weekly once, or once in 15 days at least, and use hair wash powder. So this is like a whole natural herbal hair care routine that I follow, and I recommend you guys also to follow this, and I know you guys will love it. Definitely you guys will love it. And you can see all the reviews of these products on our Insta page. I'll give the Insta page here, Bringraj Hair Growth Oil, and her brand is Lily's Hair Care Essential. I'll give the link in the description also. Do check it out. And that's it about today's video. I hope you like it. Do follow me for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.